Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Thursday, August 23rd of 2018. Hopefully all of you had a great day. You're having a great morning. I know that the teachers are very excited to see you again today, so thank you for being here with us. So I did want to do for our morning announcements today, I want to do some celebration for our great staff, especially over the last 2 days, that a lot of staff have really kind of stepped up and helped out, not just other colleagues and teachers, but also students. So I wanted to send out a special shout out to these people. So Mrs. Halstead, Mrs. Haight, Mrs. Deerdorf, Mrs. Matea, Mr. Sally, Miss Munn, Mr. Towns, Mrs. Davis, and also Mrs. Fuller for all the work that you're doing here at Perry Elementary. And you're doing it exactly for the right reasons, to helping out all the students that attend here at Perry. So thank you to all of our great staff for helping out with that. Also, for our lunch choices for today, what we have for lunch. First choice, popcorn chicken bowl. Okay, you can't put butter on this popcorn. You could, but it wouldn't be very healthy. So it's popcorn chicken bowl, it's cheeseburger, and the ever popular Fun on the Run. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to say this because it's the first time that this has shown up on the menu so far. Fun on the Run is a very popular one. So what you got to make sure is if you chose that now in the morning, you have to choose that in the afternoon. And boys and girls, you can't switch choices. So definitely, never ever switch your choices around. Once you chose in the morning is what you got to take. Reminder that Picture Day is Monday, August 27th, and that'll be in the Art and Music Room. Teachers, make sure you sign up on the schedule. There was information that was sent home to you yesterday, actually, about that, and also a Facebook post about that. Today is something special we're starting now for our pause. So for pause, we're going to have the same students who helped out with Pledge are going to focus on also one of the areas of pause. This group that we have from 4th grade is going to talk about focusing on working hard.
All right, girls, today we're going to talk about working hard today for our pause. So we'll go down the line starting with Emmy. Emmy, can you give an example of working hard?
If you want to work hard, you probably shouldn't cheat.
Okay, thank you.
You should try working hard on not being too late to school.
Okay.
Work hard on reading and math.
Great. Those are all awesome things, girls. Thank you for sharing that.
Those are all great things for pause. So boys and girls, make sure when you're working hard today, maybe think in your mind what these 3 students said, that working hard are all those things. It can be a lot of different things too, but these are some great things to think about. At this time, we'll take our moment of silence. Thank you. And we do have our Pledge of Allegiance ready to go. So at this time, students, if you can please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, girls. Great job, everybody. That's been a wonderful couple of days. Let's finish the week out strong. Let's show that Perry pride. We're almost there to the weekend, to Friday. We can do it. We can do the best we possibly can throughout the rest of this week. So it's up to you. Your turn. You do it. Let's have a great day.